Sprinkle cinnamon with salt, and you won't believe the results. Prepare a glass bowl and pour coarse salt into it. Salt works as a natural absorber of moisture and odors, and thanks to its structure, it holds the other ingredients in place. It slowly absorbs aromas and releases them into the air, making it an ideal base. Take fabric softener, measure 1 cap, and add it to the salt. Next, add a handful of cloves. They contain natural essential oils that release gradually, enhance the scent, refresh the air, and help neutralize unpleasant odors. Then prepare 4 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon, like cloves, contains intense aromatic oils. Press the cinnamon sticks into the salt. Add vinegar as the final ingredient. It helps refresh the space and reduces unwanted odors. Your mixture is ready. Place it on a table to gently freshen the room, by a window where airflow will help release the scent while absorbing moisture, or in the toilet to keep the space smelling fresh. It's a simple, low-cost way to reduce moisture and bring a pleasant scent into your home. Do this ritual once a week. Rub salt slowly between both hands for about 10 seconds, then throw it confidently over your shoulder. According to tradition, this ritual removes bad luck, brings happiness into your life, and attracts good fortune in everyday matters. Do this if your vision is blurry. Can't fall asleep? Bend your fingers like this. Got a big belly? Massage this point. Try this on your nasolabial folds. If you have bags under your eyes, do this. Loose skin on your face? Here's what to do. 6 simple tricks with amazing results. Do these 4 moves before bed, and your body will thank you. You don't need any equipment. Do 20 reps of each exercise, just a few minutes that can completely change how you feel. Your lower back will relax after a long day of sitting. It's the perfect way to get your body ready for sleep. This is the key to stopping time for your body. Every morning, massage this spot, then slowly move your finger along the key. Just 100 times a day. You'll feel your body relax, your face regain freshness, and your energy stay with you all day. A small ritual that works like a secret to eternal youth. Do this twice a day, and you'll quickly notice a difference. This point corresponds to the area around your knees, feet, and hips. Gently press, starting at the heel and moving toward the toes along the sides of the foot. This exercise may seem simple, but it makes a big difference for your feet, and more. Your feet will feel lighter, and walking will become much more comfortable. These 5 points are the key to stopping time for your body. Just a few minutes a day are enough to activate what matters most within us. Start with the first point. Gently massage this area for a few seconds. It helps energy flow and has a calming effect. Move on to the second. Massaging this point improves concentration and reduces tension. The next spot is stimulating and helps with fatigue. The following point supports the digestive system. And the last one relaxes the muscles in your hands and wrists. Do this every day with 10 repetitions. It's a simple ritual that can make a big difference. Place your hand in a bowl of water with ice cubes. Keep it there for 5 minutes. Move your fingers, bend, and stretch them to help your hand adjust to the cold. This simple method supports tissue recovery, improves circulation, reduces swelling, and speeds up healing of minor injuries. Repeat regularly to keep your hands in top shape. Just a spoonful can help relieve knee pain. Apply any lotion to your leg to make the skin slippery. Take a spoon and gently slide it upward along the muscle while straightening your knee. Do this for 3 minutes a day. This simple trick relaxes the muscles around the knee and eases discomfort. Use it daily. Your knees will thank you. I will show you movements that will slow down your aging process. The hands have a huge impact on your body. Just a few minutes a day are enough to stimulate what is most important in us. The first movement is to straighten your hand and touch your pinky finger with the base of your thumb. This simple gesture supports coordination and synchronizes both hemispheres of the brain. The second movement is to bend your thumb into the inside of your hand and close the remaining fingers into a fist. This exercise improves concentration and makes it easier to focus on one task. The third movement is to bend all the fingers so that their tips touch each other. This gesture stimulates memory and supports the absorption of new information. The fourth movement is to bend the pinky, ring, and index fingers into the palm, and then touch the middle finger to the thumb. This position strengthens reflexes and develops the ability to think logically. These exercises look like play, but they are real training for your brain. Repeat them regularly, and your brain will thank you. Try it. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier, and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health. I put a towel into hot water and get rid of a stubborn problem in a simple way. This home remedy has been known for years. Grab a pan and fill it with water. Bring it to a boil. Hot water activates all the ingredients. Now add some table salt. Salt not only improves heat conduction, but also helps release tension, making the mixture more effective. Next, pour in a little alcohol, about 1 tablespoon. It warms the body and helps the ingredients blend together. The most important part is VapoRub. Add about 1 tablespoon and let it dissolve in the boiling mixture. The menthol and eucalyptus gently cool and refresh, while camphor relaxes and adds comfort. Combined in hot water, these ingredients create a powerful, soothing mixture. Now take a small towel, soak it well, squeeze out the excess water, and place it warm on your neck or knee. Leave it for a few minutes and let the heat and active ingredients sink in. You'll feel warmth, relief, and relaxation. This simple trick speeds up recovery, boosts your energy, and makes you feel lighter in no time. This inexpensive method works just like a beauty salon treatment. You can do it at home for less than $1. Take a regular sock and add a few portions of hand cream along with a few drops of skin softening oil. Gently spread the mixture inside the sock, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Slip the sock onto your feet. Sit back, relax, and let it work for 30 minutes. After the time is up, remove the sock and rinse your feet. The result? Silky, smooth, refreshed skin that feels soft to the touch. This treatment leaves your feet baby soft. Moisturized and nourished, your skin will retain water better and won't crack.